Hi friends! Today we are going to do silhouettes of Mickey and Minnie heads, and in honor of Mickey Mouse, I'm wearing my Mickey earrings. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some food coloring, spray bottles, water, images of your choice. I picked Mickey and Minnie heads, cardstock paper, and water and a paintbrush. So because it's windy out here, I'm just going to dab on just a little bit of water so my images stick to my paper. They don't fly away. Okay, so what I did was I got a little bit of water and the food coloring, and you can put as much water or color as you want to however you want your color to be vibrant. Give it a little spray. We don't want too much. Now, I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes, and when it's dry, we'll peel it off. Here's the idea, and you can see all the colors, the red and the blue, and I just love Mickey and Minnie heads, but you can use any image you want. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will still continue posting more activities and fun ideas. Have a great week. Bye!